The prosecution theory has been shattered to pieces.
Beyond their vision.
You know why? Because the very testimonial evidence and documentary evidence presented by the prosecution have been thoroughly rebutted by, let's go to the testimonial evidence, contradictions between and among the so-called witnesses, even contradictions with the witness himself or herself. Madalit sabi, puro batay or based on hearsay, double hearsay, speculation, surmises. Yun naman sa documentary evidence, sinabi ko na kanina yon, yung the very document na prinisinta nila para ipakita yung murderous intent, saka yung tinatawag nilang community or conspiracy between the president and the PNP, sumabog din sa mukha nila kasi yung dokumentong circular na sinasabi nilang yun ang command to kill, ay lumalabas, the very document itself shows na nakalagay doon, if you have to arrest, you have to do it in accordance with law. Kaya sumabog sa mukha nila lahat.
So ina-argue nila, tingin nila makumbinsi nila ang korte na hindi widespread yung patayan. Makaka-shatter ba yun? Hindi makaka-shatter yun. Tingin ko ang korte will stand firm na widespread ang killings. Sabi nila, wala namang common plan. Di naman nakita ang mga yon para mag-usap at mag-agree. Masya-shatter ba ang prosecution doon? Hindi. Kasi wala namang requirement na mag-meeting-meeting yung 8 co-perpetrators at yung si Duterte para ipakita na may common plan. Sabi ko nga kanina, pwede namang sabihin ni President Duterte kay Albayalde at kay Bato, ito yung plano natin, okay? Di tuloy, yes sir. Sabihin niya kay Aguirre at kay La Peña na itong plano natin. Wala akong nakitang procedural requirement na kailangan mag-meeting for a common plan. At hindi makaka-shatter yon. Kasi what is the reverse of the theory? The reverse of the theory is this. Random killings ang nangyari. Wala palang order sa taas. Kanya-kanya palang patay ang libo-libong mga pulis ng libo-libong mga biktima. Tingin ko hindi makukumbinsi ang korte na yung mga nangyari pala na patayan na libo-libo sa Pilipinas dahil masama lang ang gising ng mga pulis sa araw na yon. No, it was an order. There was a pattern. There was a public vilification of the targets. And secondly, there was an execution of the targets in broad daylight with many witnesses in public plazas and markets as if the perpetrators were never afraid at all of the police. And lastly, there was also a pattern ng cover-up. Except for a few sacrificial lambs, kinover up yan and that cannot be alleged na ang mga pulis na yan ay random killings lang yon.